So we get asked a lot of questions here at LEA Professional about our Connect series amplifiers. And one of the questions that comes up all the time is, does the amp have auto standby or a way to go into manual standby? And the answer to both of those is yes. So I'm going to show you on my screen here how to set up both manual standby and auto standby on the amplifier. So first I've got the amplifier already up, the web UI is up in my browser here. The auto standby features are in the power supply section. So if you click on the power supply button, you can see here we have auto standby. To the right of auto standby, it shows you that there's 4 out of 4 channels active. So this is a 354, there's 4 channels on it. So our auto standby works on a channel by channel basis. You turn it on in one place for the whole amplifier and it's able to look at each channel individually and put each channel into standby mode and wake them back up. So if we enable auto standby here, there's 2 settings below this. So there's a threshold and a wait time. So the threshold is for the output signal level for the channel. So if the channel drops below the threshold and stays below the threshold for the wait time, it will put that channel into standby. Obviously, the more channels you have in standby, or if all of the channels are in standby, you'll have a greater power savings on the amplifier. But when this is active for all channels, it puts it in the lowest power draw possible without actually turning off the amplifier. So I've enabled this. We should see in just a little bit here that the full amplifier will go into auto standby. And we'll see that with a change in the icon for the power icon on the front amp list here. So while we're waiting for that to happen, I'll go over here and show you where you can manually stand by the amplifier. As I just clicked into that section, we can see it did actually change here. So the power icon is now red with these 3 little Z's here. This indicates that the entire amplifier is in standby mode. Now, if you want a manual standby, we still do this on a channel by channel basis. If you go into the DSP and you go into the channel settings section here, at the very bottom we have a section called channel ready for each channel. So this is a way to manually disable a channel. And if you disable all of the channels, it will put the amp into the same power draw mode as if auto standby is enabled for all the channels. So this way you can have auto standby, you can manually standby the channels, you can have both of them working together with each other depending on what you want to do, and get the amp into a very low power draw mode with some easy ways to have it wake back up with signal thresholds if you want to. So have at it, try it out, auto standby, manual standby, and let us know what you think. So thanks for watching this video on our frequently asked questions. This question about auto standby and manual standby. Look forward to some more videos for frequently asked questions on the Connect series amplifiers.